Hello. In this lesson, we're going to do a little bit of organization. The Vulkan code will quickly grow and become hard to follow up. So I will do something that is mainly a Visual Studio feature. This is the hash pragma region. We can give a name to the region, and we also need the corresponding pragma end region call. Now we have this region on the side that we can collapse or expand. When it's collapsed, you will see the name of the region in gray. So I will now move some of these functions around so that they are grouped. I'll get the setup debug messenger close to the other messenger functions. And I will get these layer names closer to the messenger and validation as well. Now I will create a new region for the validation layers. And also close it off here where the constructor starts. And I will close it off. Now I will cut off these instance and instance properties functions and paste them below the validation layers region. They will also get their own region called instance and extensions. And I forgot to cut the instance creation function as well. I can now collapse this one as well. And we are left with these more global constructor, destructor, and initialization calls. Once we're over with a more general topic, we're unlikely to go back into regions too much. So this will help us navigate the code better.